Experian was founded in 1996, but originally in 1968 as TRW Information Systems, Inc. It's an Anglo-Irish multinational consumer credit reporting company. Experian collects and aggregates information on over 1 billion people and businesses, including 235 million individual U.S. consumers and more than 25 million U.S. businesses. Based on Dublin, Ireland, the company operates in 37 countries with offices in Brazil, the United Kingdom, and the United States. The company employs approximately 17,000 people, and it is listed on the London Stock Exchange. Experian is partnered in the UK government's Verified ID system and USPS address validation. It is one of the big three credit reporting agencies, alongside TransUnion and Equifax.